Hello class. Today we'll be going over the code for ranking most similar movies. First, we'll calculate Jaccard similarity on the basis of actors. Second, we'll create a matrix to carry out cosine similarity. And third, we'll calculate cosine similarity on the basis of users' movie ratings. First, we start with calling the inline function in matplotlib, which allows us to display graphs directly below the code block. Now we're importing the pandas and JSON modules, both of which have been mentioned in the previous videos. In this code block, we are creating two dictionary objects, actor name map and movie actor map. Then using for loop, we are populating the actor name map with the name of the actors according to their actor ID, and then populating the movie actor map with title name, actor ID, and title genre according to title ID. In this code block, we are turning the movie actor map to a Python data frame and then extracting information for Star Wars Attack of the Clones. Using the above step, we have extracted the movie with which we'd like to compare all the other movies. So in this code block, we are making sure if we have the correct target movie ID. Now we are creating a distances list and populating it with movie name and Jaccard similarity. Jaccard similarity, as we all know, is the intersection between two lists divided by the union of those two lists. So we first have an actor of list of all the actors within our target movie. Now using a for loop, we calculate the intersection and the union of the two actor lists. And on dividing the intersection by the union, we get the Jaccard similarity. Now we are running a for loop to print out the top 10 movies with the highest Jaccard similarity on the basis of actors. Now let's calculate the movie similarity via users' movie ratings. Here we'll be using cosine similarity. First, we will be adding all the modules necessary for building the matrix of user ratings and for calculating the pairwise distances. Next, in this code block, we are creating a known movie list, and we are using the function set, which allows us to add only distinct movies. Then we are creating a dictionary object called user ratings and a list called movie IDs. Now using a for loop, we are adding distinct title ID to known movies. Then we are maintaining a list of movie ratings we have seen, after which we are maintaining a list of which movies users have rated by checking if we have seen the user before. And if we have seen the user before, we pull the list of tuples, and if not, we create an empty list. Now we map IMDb movie IDs to numeric indices. Then we create a sparse matrix and populate it with all the ratings. Here we're displaying the transpose of that matrix as a data frame. Now we are calculating the cosine distances between our target movie and all the other movies and populating query distances with them. Now we are printing out 10 movies with their cosine similarity in relation to the target movie.